Ever wondered how to grow your own parsley at home? It's simpler than you think, especially when using store-bought cuttings. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown herbs. Today, you will learn how to grow your own parsley from store-bought cuttings. Before you begin, gather all necessary materials. You'll need parsley cuttings, preferably fresh from the store, a pot or container with good drainage, a quality potting soil mix, and of course, water. Once you have all these materials, you are ready to start. Now, it's time to plant your parsley cuttings. Begin by digging a small hole in the soil, about 1 to 2 inches deep. Gently place the cutting into the hole, ensuring that the cut end is facing downwards. Fill the hole with soil, pressing gently to secure the cutting. Repeat this process, spacing the cuttings approximately 3 inches apart. Water the planted cuttings generously. When done correctly, your parsley cuttings should start sprouting in a few weeks. Growing parsley is not just about planting, it's also about care. It's essential to water your parsley regularly, but avoid overwatering, as parsley prefers soil that's slightly dry to the touch. Ensure it gets plenty of sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours daily. Lastly, remember that parsley thrives in cooler temperatures, ideally between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep these factors in check, and you're on your way to a lush parsley patch. With proper care, your parsley will grow healthy and strong. Finally, after some weeks, your parsley is ready for harvest. Snip the stems close to the base, always from the outer portions. Parsley enlivens pasta sauces, adds freshness to salads, and even makes a tasty garnish. Enjoy the fresh taste of your homegrown parsley. Growing parsley at home is simple and rewarding. Remember, start with fresh cuttings, plant them properly, show them a little love, and soon you'll have your own parsley harvest. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.